Welcome to a nature walk talk today that is most unusual. Here I am in the great outdoors, and what do I come upon but people decorating a Christmas tree. Right on the beach. I think it's hysterical. Usually the surprises are deer or interesting herons. One time we had a life-size bunny. You may remember that one. But I think that, oh no, it wasn't a bunny. It was a hawk or an eagle. In any event, now we have a Christmas tree on the beach, all decorated and probably going to light up at dusk. So coming into nature is always a treat, and I wish you happy holidays. And thanks for joining me on my nature walk talks. Bye-bye.